Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. So in today's quick tip video, I wanted to share with you 3 really cool hacks that you can do using paste wax. So stick around. Alright, paste wax. It's designed for polishing and finishing furniture and all sorts of things. But in this case, I like to use paste wax on my table saw. If you're running a lot of boards through your table saw and this gets dry, it actually can make it a little bit harder. So what I find is you get yourself a shop rag, lather it up, and then just coat the top of your table saw with the paste wax. Even get down in there in the miter slot. It'll help your jigs and your miter go much easier. On from the table saw into hand planes. Same concept. When you're putting this against the wood, it's really a good practice to put some wax on the bottom of your hand plane. You can use candle wax like Rob Cosman or buy his product that he's got. Or you can do what I do. Once again, take the paste wax, take the little rag, and put that on the bottom of your sole. And I don't put a whole lot under there because you don't want to coat this thing up to where it gums up as you're hand planing. So I'll put that right on the sole, not on the knife itself. Take the rag and just do one more swipe to get any extra off of there, and then you're good to go. And my last tip, which is definitely not the last one you can do, if you think of other ones in your shop that you're using paste wax for, let me know in the comments below so we all can benefit from other people's knowledge. But the other thing that I use it on are saws. And basically the same thing. You lather up your cloth, rub it on the blade, rub it on the other side of the blade. And I just rub a little bit off. Make sure there's nothing majorly gummed up, and you're good to go. So there you have it. Those are 3 quick tips to use paste wax for in your workshop. And I hope that helped you out. I hope it kind of, especially the table saw, I've found that that's the most beneficial out of the 3 that I just shared with you that I really like to use paste wax for. So if you found it beneficial, please let me know in the comments below. And also while you're at it, please consider subscribing to this channel. I do a lot of tip videos, also do a lot of projects as I'm working on right now behind me. And I also do a lot of DIY things. So if any of that interests you, please hit that subscribe button and then click the little bell icon so that you get notified of every single video that I put out here on this channel. And as I always say, thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time right here in the workshop.